Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marina Artiasa, and I'm in your lecture for this subject. Yeah. So I want to share about the impact of digital electronic technology on the development of civilization. Yeah. Uh, as you know, this learning objective is to understand the basic concept of digital electronic technology. Yeah, now everything become digital. Yeah, before is analog, yeah, or manual, and then identify the impact of digital technology in key sectors, and then analyze how this technology has influenced the development of civilization. Yeah, how everything changed. Yeah, and explore the ethical and social implication of digital electronic technology. Yeah, now we go to page 3, definition of digital electronic technology. Digital electronic technology uses binary system 0 and 1. Yeah, so it become turn off and turn on to store, process, and transmit information. Yeah, like example, the things that we see now is computer, yeah, smartphone, IoT device, modern communication system. Yeah. And then role of digital electronic technology. Yeah, it's communication. Yeah, revolutioning how we communicate. Before we communicate with letter. Yeah, we go to the post office. Yeah, or maybe for the birth. Yeah, with birth, and then give a long time ago with the letter. Yeah, and then now we become with using WhatsApp, email, social media, and video calls. Yeah, it's very easy now. And then for transportation, before we use original, like car. Yeah, but the old time car, and then bicycle. Yeah, and now we can use like autonomous vehicle. Yeah, the car that can move without driver, and there is sensor and GPS and sensor. Yeah, so it is now become common in many countries, but maybe not yet in Indonesia. And then smart traffic management, so no need of police. Yeah, the red light and green light can detect automatically. Yeah, and then in industry, we know about automation, robotics, and digital manufacturing. Yeah, so now many humans lost their job because of this. Yeah, and then healthcare. Yeah, now there is telemedicine. Yeah, telemedicine is you can consultation with the doctor for long distance. Yeah, and then wearable device. Yeah, like watch. Yeah, and then like wearable device, like uh, the things another things. Ya, di apa teh, and the monitoring system. Ya, like the people who have heart attack. Ya, they need to monitor their condition and temperature, like that, and they can consult to the doctor about their condition. Yeah, if there is urgent, so she or she have to go to the doctor. Yeah, and then education, a long time ago, the education is like manual. Yeah, you have to go to campus, to school, but now you can do e-learning. Yeah, you can study from a long distance. Yeah, by Zoom or by Google Meet. Yeah, and platform like Edlink and many more, LMS, and then many online learning platform and campus, and who provide this. Yeah, because also in COVID-19. Yeah, and then brief history of digital electronic technology. Yeah, 1947 invention of the transistor but by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley. Yeah. And then in the 1950s, first generation computer using vacuum tubes. Yeah. And in 1970s, yeah, development of microprocessor emergence. Yeah. So now the time after this there is a computer but still slow speed. Yeah. And then in 2000 the internet become essential in everyday life. 2010 to present AI, yeah, artificial intelligence, internet of things, 5G, blockchain, and autonomous vehicle. Yeah. And then impact of technology on transportation. Yeah, there is autonomous vehicle reducing the need for drivers, improving road safety. Yeah, because it already have sensor, GPS, and now how to control by the coding. Yeah, programming. Yeah, they have already algorithm. Yeah. And then smart traffic system, traffic management. Yeah, using AI and data. Yeah, so you don't need police, yeah, to control the traffic. Yeah, a long time ago or maybe before. Yeah, and maybe now you don't see many police. Yeah, maybe just sometimes because the CCTV also can monitoring everything. Yeah. And then energy efficiency, electric vehicles, and more efficient fuel technology. Yeah, like hydrogen. Yeah, and many other. And then application based transportation, application like Uber and Grab transforming. Yeah, now we already have many like ojek. Yeah, so online ojek. And then impact on industry and economy. Yeah, factory automation, robot and automated system reducing cost and increasing efficiency. E-commerce changing the way people shop like Amazon, Alibaba, Tokopedia, Shopee. Yeah, so people don't have to go outside to shopping. Yeah, you can do it in your handphone and then order something. Yeah. And then global connectivity, business can access global markets more easily thanks to digital communication technology. Yeah. And then new job creation, emerging tech industry like artificial intelligence, big data, and cyber security. Yeah. And then impact on healthcare. Yeah, like telemedicine. Yeah, patient can consult doctors virtually. And then because not many doctor in Indonesia, especially the specialist one. Yeah, like doctor for the heart. Yeah, and also orthopedic or other. Yeah, so we can consultation with a specialist and do doctor even it's long distance. Yeah. And then wearable device, real-time health monitoring. Example, you can do with smartwatch. Yeah, there is a sensor in the smartwatch. Yeah, and other also. And then AI-based diagnosis system, helping doctor diagnosis disease faster and more accurately. Yeah. And then hospital management, digitalization of medical record, more efficient workflow. Yeah. And then social and cultural impact. Yeah, so the lifestyle change, daily life increasingly connected to technology. Yeah, you can use handphone. Yeah, we can use many things that now connecting to the internet. Yeah. And then digital communication, social relationship transformed by social media and messaging application. Yeah, so we can communicate into social media, see our friend or relative, or we can post our activity or photo, yeah. And digital economy, new internet based job like influencer, content creator, and tech startup, yeah. We can see in YouTube, Instagram, yeah. People can influence other people to do something, yeah, or maybe some information like the good cafe or the many thing, yeah. And then education transformation, distance learning and wider access no knowledge, yeah. So people now can don't have to go abroad if you want to have a good education. You just register to the campus that can do it online, yeah. And then challenges and ethical issue, yeah. Data security, privacy, co-protection, and cyber threats, yeah. Because we use IP, internet protocol, yeah, for smartphone, for laptop, for connected things, IoT also, you have to protect your privacy, yeah. And cyber threats, people can find you and then can get your data, so it's very very dangerous, yeah. You don't you have to protect yourself and don't trust anyone, yeah. And don't let anyone get your data, yeah. You can protect your smartphone, yeah. And then digital divide, unequal access to technology around the world, yeah. Sometimes in one place it is a lot of access of internet, but sometimes in another place no access, yeah, because it's village, yeah, maybe, yeah. And then technological unemployment, yeah, because now people who is not good, yeah, I mean not skilled labor, yeah. People they change into the machine and robot, yeah. Because people, yeah, is limited, but robot and machine is no limit, they can work 24 hours a day. And then artificial intelligence ethic, question about morality and decision making by machine, yeah. They can do it now, yeah. So they can work better than human, yeah, by algorithm and coding, yeah. You can how you want it to be, yeah. And then the conclusion, digital electronic technology play a key role in shaping the future, and its impact is significant across various sectors, from transportation to healthcare, yeah, yeah. Maybe it can help we that need a lot of like doctor that is still rare, yeah, in some village, or also the transportation, yeah. And then although it brings many benefits, there are challenges and risks that must be managed wisely, yeah. So beware of your data, yeah. Protect your gadget and laptop, yeah. And people can detect you now, yeah. Okay, uh, thank you for your time to watch my movie, yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.